Once you have all your wires properly inserted and locked down inside the outlet, go ahead and push the outlet back in to the wall. Things should be plenty secure the way you did it, that you don't have to worry that the pushing and manhandling at this point will affect the wiring. They should all stay in place while you push back in the wall and set the screws on the switch. There you have it. Your switch plate will cover these edges here. Now when we patch it, we'll go ahead and tape off this outlet, and we'll patch it with some drywall compound, sand it down, and paint it. There you go. You got another outlet in your wall.